Hello, this is Amita Menon once again from Helium. Today I'm sharing a few insights on remedies from natural essences. I first came across Dr. Edward Bach's flower remedies in the early 90s and have been using them ever since. Dr. Bach in the early 30s had developed 38 vibrational remedies from the blooms of flowers, and by channeling the energies of flowers through pure water and leaving them for some time, he created healing essences from these particular flowers. Now, over the years, there are thousands of essences and many qualities of flowers that are channeled in through water and mixed with alcohol and preserved. These essences are used to act on the subtle life force and the body's anatomy to make one feel better. At this level, the essences work to also influence and heal certain imbalances in one's mind and in one's body. Just as rooms and environments are affected by negativity, so can the physical body. At times when stress is overwhelming and emotions are running high, sometimes the body feels fatigued and tired. Many of these remedies are useful in cleansing this negativity. Creating a spritz or spritzing an area with water to which you have added some essential oils or flower essences can be an easy way to lighten and clear an atmosphere. Today, I am sharing an easy recipe which you can create at home by just mixing a couple of different essential oils and flower remedies to create a spritz for your home. It can be made and stored in a spray bottle, and you can spritz your living areas or working areas with this concoction to clear any kind of negativity, emotional unrest, and mental stresses. The mixture is very quick to make and offers a convenient solution. The recipe is as follows. You need 3 drops of pine oil, 3 drops of geranium oil, 3 drops of cypress oil, 5 drops of lavender oil, 7 drops of crab flower essence from the Bach flower remedies, 7 drops of myrrh oil, and 1 teaspoon of vodka and distilled water. All these ingredients have certain healing properties that will help to cleanse the living space. I'm not getting into the details of the properties right now, but this is your recipe which you'll mix together to create your beautiful spritz. Clean out your bottle with warm salted water, rinse it and dry it. Measure the essences and oils into your bottle. Add the vodka and the distilled water. This helps to preserve the mix and allows the essences and oils to blend more cohesively. Now top it up with distilled water. Seal and shake gently to blend. Once it is ready, you can spray around your working and your living area whenever you feel that your spirits need lifting or clearing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to bring more such videos to you soon. From Helium, signing off, this is Amita here once again.